Okay, here's one for you guys, YouTubers. I had this unit go out. Looks like both of the condenser fans, there and there, are running on one capacitor. And it looks like it's 10 microfarads to each fan. Never really seen a system set up like this, or at least this is my first. Got to watch out with that relay there. It's live and it's running the exhaust fan here when the system is on. It's an oddball, but look at the capacitor. That's what happens to your capacitor when it goes bad. It gets all bulgy and everything. So what I'm gonna do is switch it out and hope that the motors are still good. But if not, then it's going to be a bigger job than just changing out a capacitor. It could be that, just the capacitor went past its life expectancy, but, well, we'll have to figure that out. Alright, till next time.